guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. So we are giving them the solution with the app.
It allows them to log in without them needing password, and it will let them bypass device ban and some other things. First, I'll show you guys footage of it, then I'll show you guys how to get the app. So basically, I'll open it now, and let's just click bypass password. Okay, so now I'm in the app, and as you can see, there's a pop-up that says developer detected.
Just click through it, and you can click bypass password again.
Now, the app will try to bypass your password. And voila! A pop-up will appear, letting you know you can log in without a password. Now open the settings and enter the mod you want to use. So, now I will show you guys how to get this app here, as it's really easy to do. So to get this app, what we have to do is open your phone browser and go to this site, uluvpn.com. Basically, this app can only be gotten once you activate the Ulu VPN, as it is the same developer. So what we have to do is click the button that says Pricing, and then click Get VPN. Yes, it says $3.99, but I'll show you guys how to get it for free after, so do not worry. But anyways, click Add to Cart, and then click the View Cart option, and then click Proceed to Checkout. You're going to want to fill out all the details it asks for and check out. Once you check out, it will take you to the login dashboard from here. It will give us our credentials. What we have to do is take these credentials and download the app called NordVPN from the App Store or Google Play Store, or you can get it on Windows or Mac as well. But anyways, download this NordVPN app, and then you're going to want to find the login and login with the credentials. Now this is the usual NordVPN app, but it's with the glitched ULovePN credentials. So this will only work when you use the glitched ULovePN credentials. Then, once you download it, go ahead now and enter these credentials into NordVPN app or software. I entered it in, and now it says Ulu VPN member detected. Bonus apps and developer access will now start installing. And when it talks about bonus apps, it's talking about the Photos Recovery app and also this Hushwatch app that it gives you. So they give you this additional app called Hushwatch that lets you spy on anyone's location and see all their text messages and stuff like that. Like as you can see him in the app now, and there's a bunch of options. Let me click Access Target's phone, as you can see him clicking it, and it lets you type any number. Now we will access their phone, and let's see if it works. Okay, so look at that. We got full access to their phone and can open any of their apps, view their texts, call history, and so much more. Also, it will allow you to track the person's location as well, which is crazy, which I will demonstrate to you now. So as you can see, I'm able to see their entire location. And by the way guys, after you activate the VPN, the apps will download instantly to your home screen, and that's all you need to do. And if you guys want to get a refund on the VPN and get your money back, that is also really easy. Just go back to uluvpn.com and click the Get Refund option from the menu. It will ask for an email. Just put in the email you made the original order with, and they will refund you within a few business days. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Goodbye.